How to fix TikTok video under review problem. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the TikTok video under review problem, step by step. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three-line icon in the top right corner of your profile page. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. After opening Settings and Privacy, scroll down a little until you find the Help Center option, then tap on it. Inside the section, tap on Report a Problem. Now, tap on Need More Help. You'll be taken to a support chat where you need to explain your issue. Select Other again if required, and then type a message explaining that you uploaded a video and it has been under review for several days. You can mention the exact duration, such as 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or even 1 week, and politely request them to resolve the issue. Once you finish writing your message, tap Send. Your request will now be submitted to the TikTok support team. After reviewing your ticket, they will check your account and your video, and the issue is usually resolved after some time. And that's it. This is the simplest way to fix the TikTok video under review problem. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.